Welcome to JH. Let's take a closer look at Harper Lane. This company portrays itself as a boutique with a 50-year legacy, even hosting a major half-price anniversary sale. However, investigation reveals their domain was only registered in February 2025, which completely contradicts their claims of being a long-standing family business. Regarding their inventory, the items are advertised as handmade luxury pieces, but they appear to be mass-produced goods from sites like Alibaba or Shine. They seem to follow a drop-shipping model, where inexpensive overseas products are rebranded and sold at a significant markup. Transparency is also an issue, as the site lacks a phone number or physical address, providing only a basic contact form and one email. While they claim a Netherlands headquarters, there is no evidence to support this. Many customers have complained about receiving the wrong sizes, poor product quality, or orders that never arrive. If you need to return an item, you'll likely face expensive shipping fees to China, and getting your money back is often a struggle. Ultimately, Harper Lane might not be what they seem. Always research a store thoroughly and stick to retailers you can trust before making a purchase.